Hi, I'm Alejandro Restrepo. My wife Jennifer Restrepo and I own PuroClean of Wilton, Ridgefield, serving surrounding areas in Fairfield County and Northeast Westchester County. You're probably here because you're experiencing property damage or loss related to water, fire, or mold. Or perhaps you need one of the other services we provide. Call us. We're here to help you, quickly and efficiently. I can assure you that you've come to the right place. Our team is thoroughly screened, fully insured, and industry certified to remediate residential and commercial property damage. We understand that you're going through a difficult time and that it's hard to see your home or business like this. We have personally been there and know it's an inconvenience for you and your loved ones. We will help you navigate through this confusing and difficult time and bring your property back to its pre-loss condition while providing you with world-class service. We will make sure that your needs are met with a high level of expertise and knowledge using state-of-the-art equipment and advanced technologies to ensure an optimal outcome. Relentless customer service is our top priority. We will treat you and your property as our own with honesty, empathy, and respect. Call us at the number below anytime, day or night, 7 days a week. We're here to help. Call us.